Hey fellers, and welcome back to the channel. Okay, today what I'm going to be doing is reinstalling our oil pump. This oil pump just slips together, and look, I've already dropped it in, but I mean, I guess I could pull it back out, but it's got a little insert, little star. This is our oil pump, and all it does is set in there, and that thing rotates and it spins and it builds pressure and pumps your oil. There you go. How about that? Hell yeah. It looks good. I'm hoping. You notice I said hoping. I'm trying to clean up the nasty plate I forgot. I'm trying to clean this stuff up as I go. But it just so happens that sometimes, man, I swear, I wonder, I'm going to look at something. I am going to re-pull this, guys. I have a reasoning for that. For some reason, the center gear don't look like the way it came out. Maybe I tried to keep this the exact same way I took it out. Well, I guess it was. I was wondering because it looked like it wore different, but I see it right there. So, okay, I'm all right. I'm all right then. I said okay. All right. I got a new O-ring. Here came in the kit, and I don't know if it's good or bad. I don't know. Okay, we'll find out. Is that it? No. Maybe. Yeah. No. Maybe. Look like it. It went in place. Okay. What does that tell you? Tell you, I keep smelling something. I hope my damn heater ain't fixing to set my ass on fire. Might be. Alright, now I got this plate, and it just sets up there. I'm gonna have to clean this better. I sure ain't doing too damn good of a job of keeping shit clean. But that's alright, I'll clean it up. This thing was pretty bad as far as dirt was concerned. And open, I'm seeing all there. Anyway, man, that's nice. It is, ain't it? 110%, pretty nice. Damn, sound like the four-wheeler crew in the neighborhood out riding around. Here, they allow you to ride on city streets and county streets as long as you're not tearing up the ditches and acting a fool. Golf carts or big side-by-sides, whatever, but you got to obey all the traffic laws. That's a pretty good thing. You don't know the truth. To me it is. Alright, oil pump installed. Let me lay these back in the kit. Now, I'm seeing something here that's bugging me. I'm pretty sure it's my ass. Somewhere, fellers, hold your ears. spilt oil all over it. Ha! That was nice, wasn't it? All right, and just like that, oil pump installed. Nothing crazy, nothing retarded, none of that. Just good old-fashioned oil pump. Now this old case on this thing is pretty well stained up. It is, man, it stained something awful. Believe you me, I tried cleaning it the best I could, but there you go. Without some hot tank and somebody else, that's what you get. All right, guys, look, this was just a quick video. In our next one, we're going to get into putting our breather on, and may get to adjust the valves. I haven't done that yet. We still got to put our cover on our timing belt and all that, but I want to make sure, let that kind of be used to being under tension, and as we rotate the motor on around, then it'll come into play. Guys, I can't thank y'all so much. Hey, if you ain't subscribed, subscribe, man. It don't cost anything. It's free, and we'd be glad to have you. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell, but do hit the likey button, because that helps us. And believe you me, I'd really enjoy bringing y'all content when I'm able, and there we are. Fellas, thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.